we started this problem in class. Okay, so some of you may see the bottom as 2, 7, the 2 and then the 7. Okay, cross those out for that one because you use that one. And you put the 4 here, your little from top to bottom here, and then from this to that bottom there. You haven't used a 4, put the 4 there. Okay? So that way you know you've used all 3 numbers. You need to find this one. That one is the same as this one here, which is the same as this one here. Okay? So we need to find C there. So in order to do that, you need to do a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. That's 7 squared. Now different numbers, you can use different numbers any way you like. In the end, you'll get the same answer. 2 squared equals to c squared. Because in the other class, we did 4 and 2. Get a different answer here, but in the end, you'll get the same answer for this line right here, the string or the wood that you try to fit in today. So you got 49 plus 4 equals to c squared. That gives you 53 equals to c squared. Square root to square root. You leave that as a square root because you're going to use the square root of 53 right here. Okay, the square root of 53 goes there. From there you need to find the c here because it's a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. That gives you 4 squared plus square root, this here, 53 equals to c squared. Gives you 16 plus the square root of 53 squared is just 53 equals to c squared. That gives you 69 equals to c squared. And the square root of 69 is, see if no calculator, I need to open the calculator. So square root of 69 square root, not that big. 69, oh no, not 67. 69, this square root symbol, follow my cursor right here. This square root symbol. 8.30, 8.30 is the same thing as 8.3. So it's 8.3 is equal to C. So the string, or that piece of wood that goes there, the largest measurement of that box is 8.3. The largest measurement of the box is 8.3, in this case inch. Okay? So basically we're finding the largest. The diagonal is going to be the largest you can put an item in a box. So you need to state everything in a complete sentence answering the question. Okay, because we really want to find the maximum capacity of this box. So from here, if you draw a box down like this, let me draw that better. Come down a little more, or this needs to go like this, and that. From this corner to this corner, right there, okay? And then we'll do black. And then from here to here, this way we can have, I'll erase all the other lines now, so you can see that this is the triangle we want at the very end. Okay? Okay. So the triangle we want looks like that. Okay. The area of the bottom of this box would be right here. can see it. That's the bottom of the box. It's 10 by 4. 10 by 4. Now we need to find this diagonal right here. I'm darkening it right now. Right there. Okay? That is the same as right here, and that is C, because this is 90 degrees. Okay? So, I'm going to show the work over here. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. So 10 squared plus 4 squared equals to C squared. That's 100 plus 16 equals to C squared. We leave it at 116. Square root is C squared. So C is 116. Square root of 116. So if you look at this, we've used up 4 and 10. Cross them out. Left this 4 left, so that 4 goes right here. Okay? And this length right here is the square root of 116. Okay, so we got that information. We need to find C. Okay, A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. 4 squared plus the square root of 116 squared equals to C squared. That's 16 plus 116 equals to C squared. That gives us 132 equals to C squared, square root, square root. C is about, okay, calculator, oh, I forgot the number, 132, that's what I thought. Okay, 132 square root is 11.48. So if it's 11.48, this is 11.48, that's an 8, you rounded up 1 to 5, 11.5 is about C. So the string or the piece of wood that's right here that you put in your box that we did today, okay, the string that you try to fit into the box, that is 11.5. So that measures the biggest measurement of the box. The biggest measurement of the box is 11.5 inches. Okay? The diagonal piece that the item can fit in there. That's it. That should be 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes.